what you eating? Huh? Are you
You
eating?
want culture? It doesn't matter.
Christopher,
Doesn't
what you
matter.
eating? Pizza?
Pizza.
Say hi. Are you playing?
No.
No, playing about. Don't do bubbles on it. Mm. Where's your Thomas balloon? Where? A balloon. Yeah, it's a balloon. Hey, don't do that.
Wave. Say hi.
Say hi.
Say I'm 3 years old.
I'm 3. Say hi.
I'm still a weenie.
Yeah, I'm still acting like a baby. This is Jerry.
Hey, how old are you?
And then this is
How old are you?
Daddy.
How old are you today?
Daddy.
How old?
And then that's Dylan.
How old are you?
Say, how old are you now?
How old is
How old are you now?
Christopher?
Huh? Christopher, how old are you now? Hmm? Hmm? It's so beautiful.
Busy blowing in a straw.
Yeah.
You making bubbles?
We make a bubble.
You have cake and ice cream.
Yeah.
Gotta
We
eat
got
pizza
cake
first.
and ice cream.
A cake on.
Hmm?
Cake is coming.
Gotta eat
Cake is
pizza.
gone.
Eat pizza first.